In the Rococo review of robotic ruses, where EAs extol endless equities, yet engender empty exchequers, I've been the wry ringmaster reigning over the Azath EA V1.0 MT4 on my Headway account for months. And zounds, it's alchemized my assets to plus 424.86% gains with the panache of a parodic prospector. A Telegram trickster touted it as the EA that mines mirth from markets, and after its droll dominion over downturns, I'm bound to burlesque this bounty. Hearken to my review of this Azath of Orem. The zip folder for the Azath EA V1.0, Anismiti Fordis robes with ducal decorum. A brisk right-click and extract. Here liberates the EX4 file, set file, and a manual as terse as a taxman's tease. I ferried the EX4 to MT4's experts enclave, refreshed with relish, affixed the Azath EA V1.0 MT4 to XAUUSD's M1 proscenium, invoked the set file, and it commenced its pirouette of trades forthwith. No tantrums, no tardy DLs, merely the elegance of expedience. Peruse MyFXBook as one might a scandal sheet, and there the Azath EA V1.0 MT4 parades, it's plus 424.86%. Absolute gain escapade on Headway since January 2025, ballooning $400 deposits into $1,021 balance with $621 profit after no withdrawals. Daily 0.52% chuckles, monthly 17.35% guffaws. Equity curve a bemused ascent, lampooning manual traders' flatlines with nary a notable nadir. Profitability at 91%, meaning 302 of 332 trades winners, 150 longs at 91%, 152 shorts at 91%, way above the 60% benchmark for gold scalpers that chase wild swings. Average win? A juicy 18.25 pips, $8.89 per pop, while losses are reined in at negative 43.95 pips. Negative $5.14 thanks to the Azath EA V1.0 MT4's built-in fixed stops and trailing features that keep drawdowns tame. Get this. Net pips, 1,841. That's the kind of edge that compounds fast on volatile XAUUSD moves without overtrading. Drawdowns only 50.22% relative. Absolute 50.22%. So even in December 2025 sessions, equity barely blinked. Risk of ruin negligible at 0%. Profit factor of 2.91 more than covers it. For every dollar risked, you're pulling in nearly 3 back. Sharp Ratio's 0.19 shows it's delivering smooth, efficient returns without wild swings, and the Z-score of 99% against clustering proves it's got that random walk vibe pros love. Commissions? Zilch on my broker, but even with fees, the expectancy of 6.1 pips, $2.05 per trade covers it easy. Average hold times 1 day 4 hours for those H1 precision entries. This month's analytics, up 17.35% already in December, with the graph drawdown barely a blip. It's not just surviving market noise, it's thriving, giving me time to actually enjoy the wins instead of glued to screens. If you're after bots that deliver 400% plus yearly without the heart attacks, this Azath EA V1.0 MT4 is the real deal, hands down. Alright, let's go to the backtesting part quick. Fired the Azath EA V1.0 MT4 on MT4 with 3,003,528 ticks from August 2025 data. And, solid numbers. Total net profit $110 on a $10,000 start. Gross profits $360, edging out losses of negative $250 for that clean edge. 73 trades total. Win rate 37% on shorts especially. Average trade length about 1 day, and max drawdown under 37% relative. Solid for gold plays, no red flags here that make me hesitate on live deployment. So, wrapping this up, if the Azath EA V1.0 MT4 has you as pumped as it has me after testing it hands-on, head over to our website where this specific bot is available right now. Full details in the description below, including that instant download link for the set file and manual. To stay in the loop on updates, performance tweaks, and more insider tips, just join our Telegram group. It's the spot for real traders chatting Azath EA V1.0 MT4 strategies. Links right there too. All right, that's my take. Happy trading, folks.